Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I posted a new video. I've been so busy, but now I'm back. So today I've made some gluten-free pancakes. These are so easy and nice and healthy, very easy to make. So I had this already mix pancake and waffle mix, and these are grain free and gluten free. So if you don't have time to mix everything, you can just buy this one and then you'll be good to go. So I had to open this, and then I used like 2.5 cups of gluten-free pancake mix. Now first of all, I used only 2 cups, but it wasn't really enough, so I later on added some more, and I added 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 cup of water, and some eggs. Now I use these eggs. The feed does not contain antibiotics or medications, so these eggs are more healthier than those with medication or antibiotics. So I added 2 of them, and the pancakes were so delicious. The only thing you have to add in this case is cooking oil. You can use coconut oil. For me, I use the vegetable oil. So you can use oil and eggs only, and water or milk, and then you're good to go. So I had to mix this very well, and then I feel like it was not really thick as I wanted, so I had to add some more flour. So I added like another 1/4 cup of flour, and then it was ready to make. Here you go. That one was really okay. That's what I wanted. So I had these 2 pancake pans. This one is heavier than the other one. That one is lighter, but I wanted to know which one would make good quality of pancake. So first of all, I had to use both, and then I continued with the one which produced a good quality of pancakes. So I started to put my pancake mix on both pan, and then I had to cover it. I normally cover my pancakes for best quality results. So yeah, let's see what happened next. And this was ready to turn, and it was perfect. Now let's see the other one. This one was a little bit hard for me, as you can see, so I didn't continue with the other one. I just continued with this first one, the heavier one. So I had to ignore the other pan. Now I had to continue with this one only. Now I repeat the process until everything was done. Here we go. This was the last one, and then it was almost ready. Here you go. My pancakes was ready for the toppings. So I had to top up with some bananas and some blueberries, and then added the organic syrup. And I'm telling you, if you want to try this recipe, you won't regret. This was so yummy and amazing, and I couldn't wait to try it. Yummy. Now I had to cut it and then take a bite, and this was delicious. Thank you so much everybody for watching. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Bye for now.